Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the latest in beauty and oral care. Now, let's talk about something that's often overlooked but crucial for overall hygiene: your gums and teeth. If you're tired of struggling with traditional flossing, or you're just looking for a more effective way to clean your teeth and gums, this could be exactly what you've been searching for. Today, we're diving into the cordless water dental flosser professional for teeth. It's a portable, rechargeable oral irrigator, perfect for home use and travel. Let's see how it stacks up. First off, this dental flosser is all about efficiency. Equipped with a carbon brush intelligent permanent magnet motor, it delivers high-pressure water pulses ranging from 1,200 to 1,800 times per minute, ensuring a deep and thorough clean. The flosser features a 360-degree rotating nozzle, which makes it easy to get into all those hard-to-reach spots. It can remove 99.99% of food residues, even in those deep pockets between your teeth. For those with braces, it's a game changer. The water pressure ranges from 20 to 115 psi, so you can customize it based on your sensitivity. It comes with 4 different cleaning modes: low, medium, high, and the pulse mode, each designed for a different need, whether it's gentle gum massage or deep cleaning. The water tank holds 300 milliliters, which is more than enough for a full cleaning session, and the 2,000 mAh rechargeable battery can last for up to 30 days on a single charge, depending on your usage. A quick 3-hour charge is all it takes to get you ready for your next session. That's a major bonus for those of us who don't have time for frequent charging. The Type-C fast charging system is just another thoughtful design feature. In terms of practicality, the flosser is lightweight, cordless, and comes with an IPX7 waterproof rating, so it's safe to use in the shower. Plus, it's low noise, no annoying buzzing to disturb your routine. Whether you're using it at home, on vacation, or even camping, this flosser is an easy-to-carry, easy-to-use solution. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The biggest pro, in my opinion, is the versatility. You get 4 different pressure modes, and with the 360-degree rotating nozzle, you can really customize your experience to target specific areas of your mouth. The large 300-milliliter tank means you don't need to refill it halfway through. And of course, the long-lasting battery life is a big win. On the downside, it's a bit larger than some of the other portable flossers on the market, which could be a drawback for anyone who's looking for something ultra-compact. As for value, it's definitely worth the price, especially considering how much easier it makes your oral care routine. Given its robust features and the fact that it can last for weeks on a single charge, I think it's a solid investment. There are certainly cheaper options out there, but this one strikes a good balance between cost and functionality. If you're comparing it to similar models, what sets this one apart is the backflow prevention design. It's equipped with a special internal drainage pump, ensuring that the machine stays dry and prevents any water seepage. Plus, its noise level is incredibly low. This is something that often gets overlooked, but is a huge plus for anyone who wants to use it without disturbing others. Now, would I recommend it? Absolutely. This flosser is perfect for anyone looking to improve gum health and maintain a clean mouth without the hassle of traditional flossing. Whether you have sensitive gums, braces, or just want a quicker, more efficient way to clean your teeth, this product can be a real game changer. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.